Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cisco Duo for login workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Cisco Duo, begin by accessing the login page of the application you want to use. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. After entering your credentials, click the login button. At this point, you will be redirected to the Cisco Duo authentication screen. Choose your preferred authentication method from the options presented. You can select to receive a push notification, a phone call, or use a hardware token. If you choose to receive a push notification, open the Cisco Duo mobile app on your device. Tap the notification that appears on your mobile device to approve the login attempt. If you opt for a phone call, answer the call and press any key when prompted to approve access. For hardware tokens, enter the code displayed on the token into the provided field. Once you have completed the authentication, the system will verify your access. If successful, you will be logged into your account and redirected to the application's main interface. If you encounter issues during the authentication process, ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Check that you have the correct Duo account linked to your credentials. If problems persist, try logging out and repeating the process from the beginning. Make sure your Duo application is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. This step-by-step guide should help streamline your login experience with Cisco Duo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.